Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I make my New York style bagels. These are the shit. I make them literally every week. If you follow me on Instagram, then you're aware of that. I do tons of different kinds. I will leave the exact ingredients down in the description box, but the basic baking instructions are going to be up on that screen for you. So feel free to pause, rewind, do what you need to do, and make yourself some delicious bagels.
Delighted